Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the new sneakers available to ship. If you want to copy some, please check out my website beyondshop.ru. And you can look, this is the Nike SB Dunk sneakers, and this one is the strawberry. So please check out the shoes. The upper got red and green color. Green Nike shoes, and you can take the texture on the shoes is very special like this. On the green part, and here got the logo here. Transparent icy blue with sole and the button. Inside got the red and the green color. Nike SB Dunk. Nike SB logo, and then you can dig on the upper here, have the doors on the upper. So really match its name. Very good design. And about this color, you can dig this one. Go through the shoe tone. Can you see about the colors? Fade color. And about the shoe tone here, got Nike SB Dunk Pro. And here got a last lock. And check out the inside, so got the same. And this green part with different texture. Inside, you can the inside your color got the white color, and the back side of the shoe top got the text, and the shoe point also got the Nike SB and also the logo. This kind of logo on the shoe point. So this is the shoes. Would you like this one? If yes, please don't forget my website beyondshop.ru. Thanks for seeing you next time.